After the age of 60, your brain quietly begins to shrink. Not in theory. This is real measurable change. We lose about 5% of brain volume every decade. And it's not just structure, it's how we think, how we process, how we remember. I see it all the time. Seniors who are still sharp, still full of life, but they start noticing little shifts. Names don't come as fast. Conversations get harder to follow. That moment when you walk into a room and forget why you're there, it becomes more common. And it's frustrating, isn't it? You're not alone in that, but let me tell you something most people never hear. Your brain doesn't give up just because you're aging. In fact, it's still trying to heal, especially at night. Each night while you sleep, your brain enters repair mode. It clears toxins, rebuilds damaged pathways, even tries to regrow neural connections. But here's the catch. It can't do any of that without the right building blocks. And sadly, most people don't give their brain what it needs to do the work. We've been taught to focus on breakfast for brain energy. But what about dinner? What about the few hours before bed when your body is preparing to restore itself? That window matters more than you think. There are certain natural protein-rich foods that quietly fuel this process. Not trendy powders or miracle pills, just familiar things prepared the right way at the right time. And the science behind them is not only solid, it's powerful. That's what I want to share with you today. If this is your first time here, I invite you to subscribe. This channel is about giving you real practical ways to stay sharp, independent, and confident at any age. Because the truth is, your brain still wants to fight for you. You just have to give it the tools. Let's talk about something humble. No fancy labels, no magic claims, just a familiar home-style food that many of us already cook, but few of us understand fully: skinless chicken breast. It may sound too ordinary to matter, but when it comes to supporting the aging brain at night, chicken breast is one of the most efficient, biologically active sources of fuel we have. Here's why. As we age, the brain loses its ability to rebuild as quickly as it used to. Damaged neurons remain unrepaired. Synapses, those tiny bridges between brain cells, begin to break down. And that's when memory becomes foggy. Attention drifts and mental stamina weakens. But the brain still tries to repair itself each night during sleep. And for that repair to happen, it needs amino acids. Specifically, it needs tryptophan, tyrosine, and lysine. These are the raw materials for rebuilding neurotransmitters, the very chemicals that control your thinking, focus, and emotional balance. Chicken breast happens to be one of the most complete sources of these key amino acids. Tryptophan in chicken is a precursor to serotonin. That's a neurotransmitter that regulates mood but also plays a surprising role in forming new memories. Serotonin in turn helps produce melatonin, a hormone that not only supports deep sleep but also triggers the brain's overnight housekeeping, memory consolidation, and neural repair. But there's more. Chicken breast is rich in vitamin B6, which acts as a coenzyme in over 100 brain-related reactions. Without enough B6, the brain cannot synthesize dopamine or GABA, both essential for regulating attention and stress response. In older adults, even mild deficiencies in B6 are linked to cognitive decline and slower reflexes. In 2021, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience observed that older adults with higher intakes of poultry-based protein had stronger cognitive resilience. Researchers followed 312 participants over 18 months and found that those who included lean animal protein at dinner retained verbal recall and task-switching abilities significantly better than the control group. To put that into real life, I remember a woman named Clara, 74, who began switching her evening starch-heavy dinners to include lean chicken and greens. Within 3 weeks, she reported sharper focus in her morning reading and fewer moments of mental blanking out when speaking with her grandchildren. The science matches the story. This is not about miracles. This is about fueling your brain with what it already understands. Now, here's where timing and preparation matter. For brain repair during sleep, it's best to eat chicken breast about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. That gives enough time for digestion without disrupting melatonin production. Portion size should stay between 80 to 120 grams, just enough to provide essential amino acids without overwhelming the gut. Light grilling, boiling, or steaming are ideal. Avoid heavy sauces or fried methods at night. Pair it with steamed vegetables like spinach or zucchini, both of which support tryptophan absorption and stabilize blood sugar. And don't forget hydration. A small glass of warm herbal tea, no caffeine, helps digestion and primes the body for rest. This isn't a diet, it's a recovery strategy, one that speaks the language of your brain, one that works quietly overnight to help you think more clearly when the sun comes up. Simple, real, and scientifically sound, just like it should be. There's a quiet kind of power in tofu. It doesn't boast flavor, it doesn't stand out on a plate, but inside it holds something extraordinary, especially for the aging brain. While many associate tofu with plant-based eating or heart health, few understand its real value in cognitive function. Tofu, made from soybeans, is one of the only plant-based proteins that provides a complete set of essential amino acids. That alone makes it rare, but its real strength comes from something even more unique. Isoflavones. Isoflavones are plant compounds that mimic the structure of human estrogen. And while that may sound irrelevant to brain function, the science tells a different story. Estrogen receptors exist in many parts of the brain, including the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory and learning. As estrogen levels decline with age, especially in women, these brain receptors lose a vital source of stimulation. That's where soy isoflavones step in. They bind gently to those receptors, activating the same neural repair signals that estrogen once did. In 2020, a clinical trial published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 91 older adults who consumed tofu daily for 12 weeks. The result was a significant improvement in processing speed and short-term recall. The effect was most notable in participants over the age of 65, suggesting that tofu's compounds may support aging brain tissue specifically. But tofu's impact doesn't stop there. It contains a naturally high level of lecithin, a substance rich in phospholipids, the very building blocks of cell membranes in the brain. These phospholipids help maintain the integrity of synapses, which is essential for clear thinking and mental flexibility. As these membranes weaken with age, signals between neurons slow down, leading to that frustrating mental fog so many seniors quietly struggle with. By replenishing the raw materials that protect those membranes, tofu supports better transmission of electrical signals, especially during the brain's night shift when sleep allows for deep restoration. Tofu is also a source of arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide production. Why does that matter? Because nitric oxide increases blood flow. And greater blood flow to the brain means more oxygen, more nutrients, and more efficient waste removal. All vital functions during nighttime brain recovery. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients found that soy-rich diets were associated with increased cerebral blood flow in aging adults, particularly in regions tied to attention and executive function. Researchers noted that the change wasn't dramatic, but it was consistent. Night after night, it quietly added up. Now let's talk practicality. Tofu is incredibly versatile, but for brain repair while you sleep, preparation is key. Choose firm or medium tofu, not deep fried or overly processed varieties. Steaming or lightly pan heating tofu with a dash of turmeric or ginger enhances anti-inflammatory properties without compromising digestion. Eating tofu in the evening, ideally 2 to 3 hours before bed, gives your body time to absorb the amino acids and convert isoflavones into active compounds. For many, a small tofu soup or a warm tofu stir-fry with bok choy or mushrooms becomes not just a meal, but a gentle signal to the body it's time to heal. You don't need to switch to a full vegetarian diet to benefit. You just need to know when and how to use this food wisely. Because when it comes to brain aging, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things at the right time. And tofu, as simple as it may seem, is one of them. Few foods are as misunderstood as the humble egg. For years, it was reduced to cholesterol debates and breakfast menus. But the truth is, for an aging brain in need of overnight repair, eggs are among the most complete tools nature offers. The power lies in a single word, choline. Choline is not just a nutrient. It is the building block of acetylcholine, the brain's messenger for memory, focus, and learning. Without enough acetylcholine, memory fragments, connections weaken, and even simple thinking becomes harder. As we age, choline production declines. The brain begins to struggle, but eggs, especially the yolk, deliver this essential nutrient in its most bioavailable form, meaning the body doesn't waste time converting it. It goes straight to work. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2022 followed over 1,300 adults aged 60 and older. Those with higher choline intake had notably better verbal memory scores and were 28% less likely to show signs of accelerated cognitive decline. The researchers concluded that choline intake could be a protective factor against memory loss as we age, but choline is just the start. Eggs are also rich in lutein. While best known for protecting the eyes, lutein plays a surprising role in the brain. It accumulates in areas responsible for processing speed and visual memory. Higher levels of lutein have been linked to faster reaction times and more efficient neural activity in older adults. In 2019, a study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that seniors with greater lutein levels performed significantly better on attention and executive function tests. Eggs were listed among the top sources due to their high absorption rate compared to vegetables, And then there's the protein. During deep sleep, your brain is not resting. It is rebuilding, reconnecting neurons, strengthening weak pathways. To do that, it needs full-spectrum amino acids. Egg protein, with one of the highest biological values of any food, provides exactly that. Unlike some proteins that are heavy or inflammatory, eggs deliver what the brain needs without burdening digestion. The result, a cleaner, calmer support system for the mind to restore itself while you sleep. I remember a patient named Robert, 71 years old. He added one soft-boiled egg to his evening meal. After 3 weeks, he told me his thoughts felt less foggy in the morning and conversations flowed more easily. That is the quiet power of using food with intention. Now, let's talk about timing. The best window is about 2 hours before bed. This gives the body time to digest without interfering with melatonin or sleep onset. Preparation matters. Soft-boiled, poached, or steamed eggs preserve choline and make digestion gentle. Avoid fried preparations, especially with heavy oils or processed meats. 1 egg is usually enough. For some, 2 may work better depending on overall protein intake and individual digestion. Pair it with lightly cooked spinach or steamed carrots. These support gluten absorption and stabilize blood sugar through the night. What we're doing here is not magic, it's method. It's science applied with care. Because eggs are not just breakfast, they are recovery, they are precision, they are nature's quiet gift to a brain still willing to fight for you. And tonight they might be exactly what your mind has been waiting for. Now that you understand how these 3 humble protein foods support the brain, chicken breast, tofu, and eggs, the next step is even more important. How do you actually use them? What time? What portions? What combinations? Because the difference between food and medicine is just one thing, timing. Most people eat their largest meal at dinner, but it's often too late, too heavy, or too chaotic. That disrupts digestion, sleep, and yes, brain repair. What the brain needs before bed is not volume. It needs precision. Here's a simple plan I've recommended to hundreds of older patients. It's not restrictive, it's not trendy, but it works because it respects how the aging body processes food at night. Dinner should be eaten about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. That gives the body enough time to digest and begin nutrient absorption before sleep cycles start. The key is balance: 1 clean protein source, 1 or 2 light vegetables, and nothing that spikes blood sugar. Let's start with Monday and Thursday. This is when I recommend chicken breast, around 100 grams of lightly grilled or steamed skinless chicken served with a side of zucchini, broccoli, or leafy greens. Add a small scoop of brown rice or sweet potato if desired, but keep portions light. This supports serotonin and melatonin production through the night. Tuesday and Friday go with tofu. Medium or firm tofu, lightly sauteed with ginger, turmeric, or sesame oil. Add bok choy, mushrooms, or spinach. Tofu is gentle on digestion and powerful in restoring estrogen-like support for the brain, especially in women after 60. Wednesday and Saturday, choose eggs. 1 soft-boiled or poached egg served with steamed carrots or asparagus. This pairing supports choline absorption and offers lutein for both brain and eye recovery. For some, a second egg is fine, especially if they don't eat much meat during the day. Sunday can be flexible. Some choose to repeat their favorite. Others prefer a lighter soup with egg or tofu depending on how their digestion feels. After dinner, avoid snacks. Let the body shift focus away from digestion and toward neural restoration. A small glass of warm herbal tea, chamomile, or lemon balm is fine. This isn't about perfection. It's about rhythm. When you give your brain the same high-quality nutrients at the same time each night, it begins to expect it. And when it expects it, it uses it. That's how change happens. Quietly, consistently, from the inside out. The brain does not stop working when we grow older. It waits. It adapts. And when given the right support, it rebuilds slowly, quietly, and with remarkable loyalty. We often think of memory loss and mental fog as things to fear, but I see them differently. They're signals not of weakness, but of need. The brain is asking for something: fuel, rest, repair, and it's asking gently, not with pain, but with small signs we tend to ignore. And now you know how to respond. You don't need a new prescription. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to use what you already have with intention, with care, and with timing that respects how your body truly works. A soft piece of chicken, a bowl of warm tofu, 1 quietly boiled egg. Simple, familiar, comforting, but when used right, they become more than food. They become tools of restoration, feeding damaged neurons, supporting memory chemicals, and helping your brain hold on to the best parts of who you are. You are not too old. You are not too late. And you are not alone. Every night is another chance. Not to be perfect, just to improve. Thank you for staying with me all the way to the end. That tells me something powerful, that you still care about your mind, your independence, and the life you want to live. If this video helped you in any way, I invite you to click like, share it with someone who might need this quiet reminder. Comment below. I do read them. and your story might give hope to someone else. And if you haven't already, subscribe. There's so much more I want to share with you. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.